1957 Chevy Nomad. This thing is complete, front to back, except where the tree came down and destroyed the roof. Just a 57 Chevy flipped over on its side for parts. And maybe some other really cool stuff hanging out. 55 Sedan delivery. See, it's not had an easy life. These were the bottom of the barrel for this era of car. Needs floors. Has no interior really. But it's definitely savable. And here's a 57. And then we have to be careful. There's a bee's nest over here, I know. There's an old Hudson. And another like 57 Chevy in Sublime Green. But here's my favorite. 1957 Chevy Nomad. This thing is complete, front to back, except where the tree came down and destroyed the roof. And originally, the owner of the yard was going to take that Pontiac Safari wagon and cut it up to save this car. But fortunately, time and wiser people have prevailed, and that is no longer going to happen. They should eventually both be rescued. A little bit of moss, a little bit of crud. But it's complete. Other than some broken windows. That is just so cool. It's one of my favorite classic cars. Like if I was to have any kind of Tri-5 era Chevrolet, look at the tuck completed interior, it would be like a Nomad or a Pontiac Safari wagon, something like that. Because it was also like my earliest memory of classic cars was my dad's friend's 57 Nomad. It was red and white. I remember that car very clearly, sitting in the shop. I just hope to be here when they pull this thing out and get it back together. You know, other than the one real bad crack, I don't think it's actually that bad. Pretty cool car. Fortunately, the Nomad and the Sedan delivery were going to be rescued from getting crushed. They were probably the nicest Tri-5 Chevy projects out there, other than the Pontiac Safari wagon, which you'll see in the next video. But really, if I could have one of them, it'd probably be this one or the Safari. Hi everyone, hope you enjoyed that video from the Reedsburg Auto Salvage on the 57 Chevy Nomad and the 55 Sedan delivery. Both really cool cars. Fortunately enough, those aren't going to get crushed, so we're lucky there. But that 57 Chevy that's up on the side, probably not long for the world. So if you are interested, you can of course contact them. The information is in the description below. But I'm actually in the garage. If you notice, there's no blue car here because the blue car is in the shop, because with 241,000 miles, it sprung a leak. It's leaking oil and got an engine code. So hopefully, since I'm leaving for Power Tour a week from today, I will have it back. Because while I am working on the green car, which I'll show you here in a second, it is nowhere near ready for that kind of a road trip. I think this one's going to be like 3,000 miles for me with everything I'm doing. But don't forget that I post videos every Monday on this channel, and I'll be doing it all through Power Tour, and then I'll have a Power Tour video afterwards. So I hope you guys enjoy that. And here's the green car. Yep, I actually cleaned the car off and then getting some stuff ready to sell at the upcoming Belvedere Mopar show, but unfortunately, I thought I had disconnected the battery 9 months ago when I put the car into storage, and I had not, and I have killed this brand new battery stone dead. So, I'm trying to bring it back, but I'm not giving out much hope. But this was all redone electronically by Knoll Automotive in West Branch, Iowa. And I'll have a whole video on everything here in the future. This is just the first step because it's been the first really nice day that I've had the opportunity to get in here. He helped sort out issues with this and got the lights working and all kinds of cool stuff. But actually putting stuff together, and hopefully we'll be... And then I got to do a video on the grill that my friend restored for me, Jeffrey LaRue, up in Wisconsin, because that used to be in pieces. So yeah, keep watching. Like I said, new video every Monday. See you all soon.